taking the salute next is. And up next we have Christian Grammar School Boys Contingent led by Captain Jianku.
A truly heartwarming performance. Letters Group is now set to perform a cultural harvesting dance on the 76th Republic Day in 2025 in respect of Rongmai cultural harvesting dance in Tamenglong community. The Rongmai people's harvesting dance is a wonderful tradition. It's great to see communities coming together to celebrate the fruits of its labor and express gratitude to the divine for a bountiful harvest.
An appreciation for demonstrating exceptional honesty and integrity by voluntarily returning public fund of rupees 9 lakh. This is the Trinity Public School Boys Contingent, the captain and flag bearer receiving the second prize.